Understanding first and second fix electrics. Second fix electrics. Once the first fix is complete and the plastering is done, it's time to move on to the second fix. This phase is about connecting and finishing the visible components of the electrical system. Visible components. The second fix connects everything that users will see and interact with daily. This includes plug sockets, light switches, light fittings. Connecting plug sockets and light switches. During this phase, the electricians install and connect the plug sockets and light switches to the wiring set up during the first fix. Diverse options. There are numerous styles and options available for switches and sockets, allowing homeowners to select fixtures and fittings that meet and match their aesthetic requirements and practical needs. Installing light fittings and fixtures. Once the wiring is in place and secure, it is time to install those light fittings. This includes ceiling lights, wall sconces, or any other modern lighting solutions as a homeowner you may have chosen. Finalising other components. Other aspects such as consumer units and safety devices are finalised during the second fix. This is the last opportunity to review the electrical layout and confirm that everything meets safety and usability standards. After plastering, the key distinction between the two fixes lie in the timing. Second fix takes place after plastering and installation are complete. This is significant for several reasons. Clean installation. With the plastering done, electricians can work in a clean environment, ensuring that installations are neat and visibly appealing. Final adjustments. If any modifications or adjustments are needed, they can be done easily at this stage without disrupting freshly plastered walls. Testing and certification. Once the second fix is completed, it's crucial to conduct thorough testing of the entire electrical system, testing all the circuits. Electricians will test all installed circuits to ensure they function correctly and comply with the current regulations. Providing certification. A final electrical installation certificate is issued, proving that the work adheres to the necessary safety standards. This certification is essential for homeowners and can be valuable for future property transactions. Engaging qualified professionals like myself and my team at Bright Spark, we play a vital role in ensuring a successful rewiring process. With over 21 years of experience, we will bring valuable skills and insights that are essential. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.